Hello and welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound. Welcome. If this is your first time here, have a look around. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips and tricks. And for everyone that's already subscribed, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Today, I want to show you how to play an A minor chord on guitar. And I'm going to show you where to place your fingers, what strings to strum, what strings not to strum, and stick around for the tips that I'm going to give you to make it easy peasy to play that A minor chord. And that's coming up. Welcome to Your Guitar Guide, and let's zoom in and get a close-up on how to make the A minor chord on guitar. Alright, so first we're going to use 3 fingers to make the A minor chord, and the first one's going to be right here on the B string, the second string. So place your first finger there, grab your guitar, and let's do this together. So your first finger's on the second string at the first fret. This right here, these metal bars going down are the frets. Your second finger is going to be right here on the D string, the 4th string at the second fret. Then we've got your third finger. We're going to place it right below that second finger on the G string at the 2nd fret. So if you've got all your fingers right there, making the A minor chord, you want to strum 1 string at a time, starting with the 5th string, which is the A string. 4th string, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string. They're all ringing out properly, so now you can strum from the A string down, the 5th string. When you're playing the A minor chord, you don't want to play that low E string. So aim for the A string. And I have 10 things for every beginner should know. Check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. It's a free lesson, so check that out. Another tip to play the A minor chord, you want to play on the tips of your fingers, like right here. If you're playing down here, not on your tips, you're going to be touching every string on your guitar. So you only want to play those 3 strings, or fret those 3 strings. So to fret them properly without touching other strings, like on this B string here, if you're not on the tips of your fingers, you run the risk of touching that high E string, and doesn't sound too good when you do that. So play on the tip. And you always want to be as close to the fret, behind the fret, as you can. That way you won't have any buzzing sound from the string. If you enjoyed this lesson, can you give it a thumbs up? Click that like button. It lets YouTube know, and then they'll promote my video. And if you want to learn a cool strumming pattern, check that video out next. Thanks.